So you see here in the jungle, so many kinds of what you call that? Kind of this thing, kind of this shit. But I just found out that there's something more in here. There's something moving or circulating around this jungle. There's something eating. There's something eating flesh, and I just encountered it earlier. I will show you the video right now.
And now, you are encountering the most Homo sapien plant in the universe, which you can only see in the Philippines, in the central Cotabato Bank. And while we are, seeing this plant, what's that? What's that? Oh!
Triumphant once again, we coming to win.
Alrighty, for more videos like this one, please subscribe or click the link down below in the description. And marami pang videos na ganito dito sa Gplanasquad. Click here to subscribe. Ito, kung ano mga videos dito nakalagay dito. Thanks for watching and whatever, and ayun nga, highlights lang to eh. Wash your hands and stay home. Walang lalabas. Ha? Kulit eh.